Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services. If you're watching this video, you probably have a slab leak. Slab leaks are very delicate situations that you will need a qualified expert with the right tools and sounding equipment to help locate. The worst thing that can happen to you is breaking a hole in your slab that isn't where the leak is located. At ER Plumbing, we have some of the newest technology available to trace and listen for your slab leak. We also adhere to the cleanest standards when hired to repair the problem. We can get your slab leak typically done in a day once scheduled and be out of your home with a no mess guarantee. Schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371. Or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.